everyone. I'm Pudis and I'm from Muda. I am 9 years old. I attended Flyers 1 to when teacher Sue. There are 3 total teachers in my class, but the main teacher is teacher Cassia, another teacher teacher Suwin, and teacher Nora. Today I would like to do teacher Sue, teacher sing and dance competition. My teacher sound is Rima. Not only Myanmar people, but also even foreigners enjoy Teacher Festival. According to my knowledge, I will see the water festival actually start in our country since the Kingdom Fest. Then after Thailand copied this, even though our country started the pouring water culture first, our country is not advancing as Thai. That's why Thailand's water festival, which is known as Songkran, is recognized by UNESCO. That's why especially the youth, including me, who will become the leaders of our country, should keep the unique water festivals of Myanmar. Okay, let's start now.
Hey, Rima, the